Yeah, I ran the entire autism walk. Did you see me running?
I saw you running, Tyler. I love you, man.
I love you too.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, at the halfway mark, my stomach hurt, but it's okay now.
Oh.
You know what? Now we know you can run, Tyler.
Right. Good
We're
job.
gonna run every day now.
Good job.
I'd rather stick to the computer.
Good job, Tyler. You did a
Yeah, but
great
Tyler,
job.
it's not very nice to take off on your parents without letting them know what you're gonna do. He was right there at the finish line. Good.
Didn't I?
Who gave you the balloon?
There was a lady with the balloons, with colorful balloons.
Oh well.
I thought I did let you know what I was gonna do.
Yeah, I know, but you just took off.
Oh.
You know, we weren't behind. I thought you would have died like halfway, but you made the whole
Go
thing.
Yeah.
You got like spit in your lip. There you go. Good job. You want me to take your picture by
But Tyler, now we got to do it again.
Oh,
It's an autism walk, not a run.
I'm gonna walk this time. No way am I doing that again. No way.
Was that hard work,
No
Tyler?
way.
That was really difficult.
But you did it. You did a great job, too.
I did it. I did it.
Do you want me to take your picture by the balloon or something?
Sure, but I better cut this first. Till next time.